Welcome back to the tutorial of Integrated Road Accident Database, which is an initiative for advancing road safety. This video will give you a demo to use IRAD mobile application. Firstly, we'll see how to download and install IRAD mobile application on a device. First of all, download the IRAD app from the website of IRAD, that is irad.parivahan.gov.in. Then click on IRAD Live App button to download the live application or IRAD Demo App button to download the demo application. On clicking an APK file, screen 1 will appear on your device. On clicking Package Installer, app installation will begin as shown in screen 2. After that, screen 3 will appear and you have to click on Install button, which will install the app on your device. After installation, click on Open button. Welcome screen with IRAD logo will appear on the device as shown in screen 6. Now, to access the IRAD application, click on its shortcut icon on your device. IRAD app login page will appear on the screen. On accessing first time, a message that says Allow IRAD to access the device location will appear on the screen. Click on Allow button. Now, IRAD app is installed and ready for use on the device. Users of IRAD mobile application. IRAD application will be used by police, transport, health and highways, PWD or road owing agencies. Department specific use and step-by-step methods will be explained in another video. Login IDs and passwords are used as a form of authentication in the IRAD application. To log into the app, every user needs a login ID and a password. The system checks for validity of the login ID and the password. In case of unavailability of such login credential, new login ID and password will be made available by your department and initially default password will be provided. In the login page that is shown in screen 9A, 4 fields named Department, Username, Password and CAPTCHA are available. Department list will display the users of IRAD as 5 departments. It is very well shown in screen 9B. Select your departments as applicable and then click on OK. Then enter your username, password and CAPTCHA. On entering wrong CAPTCHA value, new CAPTCHA will be required. Click on Refresh button to regenerate new CAPTCHA value. Finally, click on Login button. Language option is displayed on the top right corner of the login page. By default, the language is English, but the user can change the language as per convenience. To change the language, click on English. That will display the list of languages and select the preferred language. Application will be translated into the selected language. After login, click on the top left part of the landing page that display user details. Home, Profile, Settings, Feedback, About IRAD, Release Notes, Help and Logout are the various available options. Clicking on Home option will display the landing page. User Management option will be available to the department admin only. Using this, admin can create user IDs for their department. First, click on User Management option as displayed on screen 12. Secondly, click on Add New User button on screen 13. Then, enter user details and click on Add button as shown in screen 14. In this way, the admin of each department can manage the user IDs for various users in his department. Hope this video will help you understand how to use and install the iRad application. You will learn more about iRad application like its user roles, application workflow and many other things in our next tutorial. Thank you.